Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing the message so Outlook can tell you what happened. Open a new mail, click Options, and check Request a Read Receipt. Also enable Delivery Receipt if you want delivery status. Use an Exchange or Outlook recipient when possible because read receipts depend on the recipient's client. Avoid sending to mailing lists or external systems that strip receipts. Once done, finish composing, add attachments, and hit send. You now have receipts enabled and are ready to track responses. Now you check the sent message to see the status. Go to Sent Items, open the message, then choose File and Info, where tracking appears if receipts are returned. The tracking pane lists recipients with delivered or read and shows timestamps when available. Outlook aggregates multiple responses so you can spot who hasn't opened it. If you don't see tracking, make sure the message actually requested receipts and that recipient's clients support them. Keep in mind that some recipients can decline sending a read receipt. Finish by confirming what the tracking shows and taking action if needed. If a read receipt didn't arrive, make sure the recipient's email client supports receipts and that their settings didn't block them. Sometimes corporate policies disable automatic replies. If it's urgent, send a brief follow-up or ask for manual confirmation. You can also set a reminder or use message recall if on the same Exchange server. Troubleshooting tip: if tracking is empty, resend with a clear request in the body because technical receipts can be.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.